you can let the spectator select any card they want to have. So let's say the 5 of hearts. Now after that, they can shuffle up the cards as much as they want to, but you still have theirs. So the diagonal palm shift is the move that you just saw that gets the card to go from the middle through the deck, out the back, and now into my hand. Now let me show you how to do it. So what you're going to do is first have a selected card, and your left hand needs to be in mechanic's grip, which your thumb is on the left side, middle ring and pinky along the right side, and your index across the top. Now what you're going to do is when you're pushing it in, you're not going to push it in straight. You're going to push it in with more of your middle finger than your pinky, so it starts to slide diagonally. Now what that'll do from the top point of view is you'll have a little bit off this left side and a little bit off this right side as well. As you're squaring it up with your right hand, you're then going to come over the top and hold the entire deck with your right hand to where you'd be able to let go with your left. And the grip for this is that you're going to have your all 4 fingers across the top here and your thumb on the bottom left. And now with your left hand, you're going to actually take this corner that's popping out here and this corner that's popping out here, and you're going to pull them down with your thumb, ring, and pinky. This is exaggerated, of course, but you're going to be pulling down like this. Now, once it hits your thumb right here, you're going to then rotate it around your thumb. And that'll be done by releasing with your thumb, and the rest of these fingers over here are just going to pull it around. So starting from the top, you've now taken your card, buried it about halfway. You're going to twist it as you push it in, take your thumb, ring, and pinky, and pull it down, and swivel it. Now, here's the main part that's going to make sure that you don't get caught. When you're getting to this point, when you're about to swivel, and you start pulling down, this pull down, swivel, and palm needs to be done in one motion. Now, how to get it from the swivel to the palm is that you're already swiveling here. What I do is I then grab this top corner with my middle finger, and then pull the rest here. Now that all I have to do is bring that out and you're all done. There are many tricks utilizing the diagonal palm shift that you can perform today. And if you want to learn the one that I just performed on Sunday, you can check it out right there. And if you want to learn in all the rest of the sleight of hand tutorials I've taught here on the channel, check it out there. This deck of cards is 10% off in the description below, so you can check that out. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Subscribe for more tutorials. This is EPM signing off.